What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to recover a suspended Reddit account. So, if your Reddit account was suspended and you can't access those juicy threads here, well, the thing with this one is you can actually submit a request just in case you got your account suspended. So, how do we do that? So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up any browser here. Just go to google.com and just search Reddit help. Now, you should be able to see a bunch of options here, but what you're looking for is a very specific page here, which is going to be support.reddithelp.com. Let's go and access this one. Now, from here, what we need to do is at the top right of the screen, you have the 3-bar icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go and click on Submit a Request. Now, from here, there are going to be a few options again, but what we need to do is we want to click on Account Help. Now, from here, what we need to do is we just need to answer a few questions. So first, what do you need assistance with? So you can go ahead and click on Account Help here and go and choose whichever applies to your problem here. So as an example, maybe I want to choose Account Help. Now, from here, you can go and add your email address and what type of account issue you're currently having right now. So in this case, maybe I want to say account status here. Let's go and choose this one. And from here, let's go and choose my account was wrongly suspended. Now, you want to go and provide necessary information like your Reddit username, or are you able to log in into your Reddit account, your subject of inquiry, details of inquiry. So in this case, in the following questions here, just answer that why your account was suspended wrongfully, or why you think your account shouldn't be suspended. So in this case, just explain your side here, attach any documentations, photos that you may want to add to your case here. But once you provide all the details, just click on the submit button you see at the very bottom here in order for you to submit your request. Now, typically speaking, they will reach out to you via your email, so just make sure to check your email from time to time just to make sure that you answer the inquiries sometime in the future. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.